Excuse me. Good morning, everybody. My name is Joe Sanches, however you want to say it. I'm a realtor here in the Austin, Texas area. And today we're going to talk about the Leander housing market in 2025. Is it finally a buyer's market? After years of red hot growth, Leander's housing market has dramatically shifted. Inventory has nearly doubled, prices are softening, and homes sit now on the market for 55 days compared to just 42 days last summer. With supply increasing to 5.3 months from 3.8 a year ago, the power dynamics in real estate have fundamentally changed. Is Leander's boom finally over, or is this your chance to score a deal? Let's examine the data to find out. The housing market roller coaster. If you've been watching the Leander housing market, you've likely experienced whiplash. One minute homes were unaffordable with crazy bidding wars. The next, you're hearing about a slowdown. You might feel torn between the fear of overpaying and the fear of missing out. Perhaps you put your home search on hold after seeing prices surge, or you're a seller nervously watching headlines about price drops. You're not alone. Many in Leander feel this is uncertainty about what to do next. The big shift. Leander is now in a buyer's market. The data confirms what many have suspected. Leander has shifted from a seller frenzy to a buyer favored market. After years of soaring prices and cutthroat competition, the power is now tilting towards buyers. This means more homes to choose from, more time to decide, and more leverage to negotiate. For buyers, 2025 represents the opportunity you've been waiting for. And if you're a seller, you need new strategies to attract today's cautious buyers. The numbers don't lie. Market data trends. 430K is the medium home price. Leander's medium sale price is now hovering in the mid 400s, about 4 to 5% less or lower than last year. That's 5 to 6 months of inventory, up from 3 months a year ago. 6 plus months is generally considered a buyer's market. 55 days on market. Homes are sitting longer, medium 55 days now versus barely 2 to 3 weeks during the peak. 60% price reductions, percentage of active listings that have had at least one price reduction by 2025. For buyers, this cooling market means more bargaining power. For seller, it signals the need to price realistically and consider offering incentives to stand out in an increasingly competitive landscape. Deals are back on the table. Remember when paying over asking was the norm? Those days are gone. In June 2025, about 70% of homes sold below their list price. Only 11% sold above asking, a complete reversal from the bidding war era. Nearly half of sellers nationally are offering concessions, closing cost credits, repair allowance, rate buydowns, and more. One recent Leander sale included the seller covering 7 months of HOA fees for the buyer. That's a good negotiation tactic there. Real examples of buyer leverage. Crystal Falls price cut. A luxury home originally listed around nearly 800K, ultimately sold in the low 700s after two reductions in 90 plus days on market. Patient buyers saved tens of thousands. Bryson rate buydown. A Bryson area home seller paid for a 2-1 mortgage rate buydown, dramatically reducing the buyer's monthly payment for the first 2 years of ownership. Builder incentives. New construction builders are offering 20K plus in closing costs, free upgrades, and appliance packages to move inventory that would once have sold instantly over a year ago. If you're buying, now is the time to negotiate. You can ask for repairs, closing costs, or price reductions, and likely get them. If you're selling, be prepared. Today's buyers expect a deal, and it's better to offer concessions up front than to languish on the market. Neighborhood Spotlight. Where to find the best deals. Crystal Falls. Medium sold price is $739,000, which is up 8.5% a year ago. Days on market 50 plus. relatively resilient prices, but with 95 plus homes available, even this upscale neighborhood was flipped to a buyer's market. Bryson, medium sold. Price is 600K. It's down 1.8% from a year ago. Days on market, 80 to 100. Prices edging down, moderate negotiating power. Expect 10 to 20K off list or appliance incentives. Treviso, medium list price is 849,000. It's down 13.7% from a year ago. Days on market, 80 plus. It's high end oversupply, creating excellent buying opportunities in luxury segment. Lariat, new construction heaven. Just north of Leander, Liberty Hills, median price is around 515,000, and it's down about 9.7 year over year. As builders aggressively compete, Lariat exemplifies this trend with hundreds of new homes coming online, many sitting vacant, awaiting buyers. Builders offering thousands towards closing costs. Yes, yes. Complimentary appliance packages, interest rate buydowns to reduce monthly payments, flexibility on upgrades and customization. Yes, they're doing it all. So you'll advocate in any market. I witnessed the Austin area market at its peak and valleys, from the feeding frenzies to the slowdowns. I'm sharing this data because I believe informed clients make the best decisions. Really, they do. When the market was crazy, I helped buyers navigate bidding wars ethically and strategically. And now, as it cools, I'm excited to help buyers finally get deals and guide sellers to still win despite changing conditions. This isn't just for business for me, it's personal. I live here too. I've seen families stretched by high prices and other hesitant, not sure when to jump in. Definitely. So, are you ready to make your move? Don't let this rare buyer's market moment pass you by. Whether you're a first time buyer, a move up buyer, or a seller, I can help you in any of these cases. You can call me or text me for a free, no obligation strategy session, and I'll give you like a game plan that works because Austin's different, but I've been in different markets. So either way, love for you to reach out. I've helped out many people and families. You can reach out to me on my cell phone, which is 512-663-8867. Text me and I'll get you set up with the search or whatever you need. Have a fantastic day. I will talk to you soon.